Good day, guys. I would like to thank PSTC or Power Skills Technical Center for having the knowledge on the combination light for the electrical module number 2. I would like to thank my sponsors, Lazada, for helping me building this project. And of course, special mention to Sir Bias for the inspiration of doing this simple project. Let us put on the hazard. Let us use the left turn. And we use the wiper switch 2. Alright. This is an inspirational project that I bring home to deeperly understand the circuit given by PSTC. Thank you.